Wishing all of you a wonderful day. And then I just want to share with you all few aspects of skill acquisition. Skill acquisition, whenever I thought about it, there were several aspects which I want to discuss about skill acquisition. But the more I think and plan, the more there is to share. But I think when we just think about doing things and just keep ruminating, it just keeps getting procrastinated. I think it's always better to think of an idea and immediately implement it so that it just gets done. The task is completed. So here is something which I want to, very important that I want to share with all of you is, when I was very small, maybe during my childhood days, I had my a cousin of mine. She was very good at craft work. So what I thought was, once during holidays we usually go to a cousin's place and spend some time there. So one of those days what happened is, she made a beautiful parrot that she had made. It was made with those wires, do you remember those SUPW days where you would get a band of wire and we could craft them into different designs, parrots, then baskets, and so many other things. The ideas are infinite. So when she had done a parrot, and I was like interested to do the parrot. Even I thought, okay, let me also do the parrot. But what happened is, the moment she showed me this idea, this fear creeped in. Can I also do this? Will I be able to do this? And though I could do it, but see, what happens is, when you're learning a new task, initially it's definitely going to be difficult. So what happens, the elders come around, the mother of my cousin would feel very proud, see, my daughter does this. And the moment I also try to do it for the first time, I don't get it. And what happens, people around start appreciating her. So I don't get it for the first time. So instead of people guiding me how to do, they start telling, my daughter does it well, you're not able to do. Somewhere this idea or this assumption starts creeping in, where I feel that I'm not able to do it. I cannot do it. And so what happens is, they start appreciating her, and there are two ways to take this. Either I would go and learn it. Either I would take it as a positive note and go and learn the art, or else I would just drop the work. So this inhibition brings about a stop or a break in learning that skill. So several times in my life, I have seen this pattern repeating. So are there situations in your life where you have conditioned yourself to such patterns, where so many skills that you could have actually developed, you just gave up because of an assumption that you cannot do it? So the very important factor which I want to drill into your mind is this, that it is important to know that you can do several things. It is a part of training. Few things definitely are a part of talent, but even if a talent is not used, it is going to be not helpful, and whatever you don't use, you're going to lose. That is another very basic principle in nature. So it's very important to learn this particular aspect, that do not feed an auto suggestion into your mind that you cannot do things. You should always have a willingness to do. Willingness to do is an attitude. You can either give up and say I cannot do it, or you can either choose to do it. So in the process, you are tuning your intelligence to not do on one end, you keep justifying, you give excuses, but on the other end, there is also a possibility to tune your intelligence to say, I can do it. You can do it and you will do it is a matter of attitude. The willingness to do is an attitude. Please develop the habit of developing the attitude of willingness to do. It's not only the willingness to do, you have to go the extra mile to go and accomplish the task. This will be a very important factor in the development of skills. In the acquisition of skills, it is very important to develop the attitude of willingness to accomplish. Willingness to take action, and it should be coming from your internal motivation. See, how much can somebody push you from outside? There is always this inner fire which needs to be creating the momentum. So it is very important to create this attitude for yourself, the willingness to take action, and it is very important in the journey of skill acquisition. Skill acquisition should be a very important aspect in developing mastery. But in this video, I would like to highlight two important things. One is how our assumptions can be barriers to our skill acquisition, and how can we overcome this assumptions or our inhibitions and then develop this attitude of willingness to take action. It's very important to develop the attitude of willingness to take action, and it can be a very important key in developing success in skill acquisition. Have a wonderful day. Coming up are other aspects of skill acquisition. Wishing all of you a great and celebrative weekend. Happy day.